I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now. Plug the recovery USB into a known working port and power on the PC. If UEFI blocks USB boot, press the firmware key ESC F2 F12 right away to open the boot menu. Once in, choose the USB device and select Repair your computer. This brings up advanced options so you can run startup repair or access the command prompt. Make sure to note any error codes shown. They guide the next steps. Once in advanced options, choose Startup Repair first. It targets corrupted boot files automatically and often resolves common failures. If that doesn't work, open Command Prompt and run bootrec commands in sequence to repair MBR and rebuild BCD. You may need to use diskpart to assign a drive letter to the EFI partition before running boot repair commands. Do this only if you understand partition names. These manual steps rebuild the bootloader so Windows can find and start the OS. After repairs, remove the USB and reboot. Enter UEFI to ensure Windows Boot Manager is first. If Windows still won't load, return to Recovery to Run System, restore to a known good point, or run sfc/scano to repair system files. If these software fixes fail, suspect hardware. Run memory diagnostics and check the drive with chkdsk or manufacturer's tools. Make sure cables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.